Welcome to El Jefe Reviews. My goal for this channel is to be your source for 100% real and honest reviews of tech products. So whether it's Bluetooth headphones, portable speakers, or a power bank, whatever tech it might be, you can trust that your boy El Jefe is going to keep it 100% with you guys, regardless of whether I bought the product for myself or if the company sent it to me as a review sample. Now, my second goal for this channel is at the very least to not be boring and keep you guys entertained through my video. But I'm also going to be as thorough as possible and try to bring you guys as much information as possible. But if you have a question or if I missed something in one of my review videos, most definitely ask those questions down in the comment sections of any of my videos and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, third, before I ask you to subscribe, feel free to take a look at some of my other videos. Get a feel for old Jeff. And if you like my style, then by all means, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell. And this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that being said, I hope you join me. I hope you become a part of this community, and I will see you guys in my next video.